Now, on question number 10, there are a couple of possible ways to do this, but let's try by getting our y-intercept, which is -5, and our slope, which is up 2 and over 1. Your rise over run from left to right, let's say from point A to point B here, turned out to be 2 over 1. So putting that all together into an equation of this line, we have y equals mx plus b, and our m was 2, and our b was -5, so y equals 2x minus 5. This might help a little bit in terms of figuring out the points because it's basically saying that if you want your y value, you take your x value, multiply it by 2, and then subtract 5. So let's go ahead and put those into practice here. Here, the x value is 1. Multiplying by 2, you get 2. And taking away 5, you get -3. So we know this is wrong. Now going to 1 over here. Multiplying by 2, you get 2. Subtracting 5, you get -3. That's good. Here, multiplying by 2, you get 4. Subtracting 5, you get -1. And of course, for 0, you multiply by 0 and you get 0. Take away 5 and you get -5. So this actually didn't work there. Now let's go to C. C has exactly what we wanted. When you plug in the 0, you get -5 because that's 2 times 0, which is 0, minus 5, -5. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 5 should be -3. So that's the problem on that one. So now D has the 0, -5 that we wanted all along. When you plug in 1, you get -3, which is what we wanted on C but didn't get because, once again, 2 times 1 minus 5, that's 2 minus 5, and that is -3. And then plugging in X is 2. We'd have 2 times 2 minus 5, that's 4 minus 5, and that is -1. So the answer that worked here was D. Now, of course, we could have gone on the graph and plugged and looked up the 3 points. Look up the fact that at 1, it passes through -3, and at 2, it passes through -1. But the reason I use the equation is it might be a little hard to see if the points are small or hard to count. So the mathematical way to me is a little more dependable. In any case, the answer here is D.